Alexa, turn on Pacific.
Turning on Pacific.
Meet the brand new Pacific TruSteam SC98. Designed with gorgeous stainless steel craftsmanship, this pro-style range hood is integrally formed using Pacific's high-quality custom LED lights for a stylish and sophisticated ambiance. The sleek hidden touchscreen, both sensual and smart, allows you to control the technology effortlessly while enjoying an appliance that's more like a work of art. Just watch. The hand wave is remarkably sensitive and won't leave fingerprints. Equipped with dual motors, industry-leading power, and a total of 6 levels of suction to handle even the most intense oil-based fumes. The turbo smoking mode can be activated with a wave of your hand, capturing harmful fumes instantly. Stew meat and rice for long periods, starting with low-speed operations. While cooking, the ultra-quiet design allows you to listen to music, chat, or watch shows without being disturbed by your best-in-class ventilation system. The Pacific TruSteam's SC98's exclusive air purity monitor can detect the air quality in your kitchen even when you're not at home and automatically freshen the air with one-tap remote control. And the timer can ensure you never forget to turn off the heat. There's also a delayed off feature, so that after you finish cooking, it continues to remove fumes and eliminate lingering smells for 3 to 5 minutes. Cleaning your range hood is easy, of course, because you don't have to do it. The Pacific TruSteam SC98 thoroughly cleans itself with one tap and uses extremely high-temperature steam, 130 degrees to be exact, to dissolve any oil stains or buildup without disassembly or hand washing. Simply take out the oil collecting cup and pour it out. If you cook frequently with oil at high temperatures, steam washing at least 2 times a week will keep your range hood at its best. And if you want to wipe down the surfaces, just turn on the screen lock. The Pacific TruSteam SC98 is a smart home appliance that comes with a downloadable app and can be connected to Amazon's Alexa or Google Home for fully hands-free voice control. If you're ready to experience the future of ventilation, get started by choosing wall-mounted or under-cabinet installation for your eye-catching new hood. Alexa, turn off Pacific.
Turning off Pacific.